Hi, I'm Steven from American Safe, and today I'm going to go over manually triggering alarm relay outputs within the CVMS 2.0 software. The Avycon NVRs are unique in that they allow for additional wiring to be done on the terminal blocks behind the unit. These terminal blocks include sensor inputs, which can be programmed to trigger events, and alarm relay outputs, which can route power to external devices, such as lights, sirens, or even to the alarm and access control panels. This does not mean that your NVR comes with pre-existing alarm devices, but rather that it has the option to expand your system to include them. Depending on your needs, you can also have your cameras automatically trigger the alarm relay outputs and other event outputs. Avycon's intelligence analysis feature lets you customize what triggers the outputs, enabling the system to monitor for stolen objects or intrusion detection. Refer to our other video for more information on that. In this video, we'll cover how to trigger the outputs manually through the software. Open the CVMS 2.0 software and click Home at the top. Navigate to Video Preview. Along the bottom of the toolbar, there's a Manual Alarm Out option. Click on that and navigate to the desired output that you want to trigger according to its area. Check the boxes of the outputs and then choose the holding time in seconds from the drop-down menu. Once selected, you can press Trigger Alarm Out and it will activate on the back of the NVR. Keep in mind that by default, there's no existing external device attached to the NVR, and on its own, the alarm output will do nothing. Some suggested options to add would be a strobe light, a siren, a buzzer, or to route wiring to attach into the access control system. One example setup would be to have the system monitor an access point with a doorbell button and an electrified door. Pressing the button triggers the sensor input, prompting a guard to view the camera to verify who it is. Once their identity is established, you can trigger the alarm out relay linked to the door's access control system in order to open it and allow them in. Another option would be to monitor an area via the intelligence analysis function's intrusion detection feature. Once someone is detected in that area during the scheduled time, it can activate the alarm out relay, which is tied into a local siren, and set it off. In summary, alarm output relays are a very versatile feature of the NVR, but need some planning and setup to make full use of them, whether through automatic or manual activation. Contact us at American Safe and let's help you customize a solution for your setup.